Welcome to Edu My Way. To get started, choose whether you are a student or a tutor. In this case, we'll select Tutor. Next, you'll choose the category in which you want to teach, whether school subjects, university courses, self-development training, or international test prep. Now, fill in your personal details. Upload your CV as a PDF to showcase your expertise, email, and password. Once complete, hit Save to create your account. It's that simple. You're now ready to begin your personalized learning journey with Edu My Way. Once you click the button, the Get Approved button on top of the home page, you choose which specific subjects, courses, and relative grades, levels you want to teach under the category you had chosen. Now it is time to request your recruiting meeting with our Education Specialist Recruiter, ESR, via the phone option to pick the day and time that suits you. Once your account is approved, you can see your courses right on the home page and in the Lessons section. Your teaching sessions are now visible and ready for booking. Get started by checking out the courses you're approved to teach. To set your monthly availability to teach, simply go to the Availability section. Here, you can add the days and hours that you're free to teach. Customize your schedule to fit your convenience, making it easy for you to add value to your qualitative teachings. Now you are all set. You are in Edu My Way database to receive notifications assigning your learners for you and requesting your consent on the date and time of the tutoring. Our tutors at Edu My Way breathe education, speak life.